Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. Today we are going to learn about signals and what are the types of signals. Signal is an electrical or electromagnetic quantity that transports data or information from one system to another. For data transmission, there are two types of signals: analog signals and digital signals. Analog signals and digital signals are very different in many ways. Analog signal is a continuous function, whereas digital signal is a discontinuous function. Typically speaking, these both signals are two signal kinds that carry data or information. As far as analog signal versus digital signal is concerned, analog signals feature continuous electrical signals, whereas digital signals are otherwise without continuity in signals. So let's discuss about more about analog signals. Continuous time signal is any continuous function of time. So in the we can also call it continuous time signals. And what about the digital signals? We can call them discrete time signals. It means that discrete time signal is any series of real numbers separated by equal time increments or samples. So these are the basic diagrams. For analog signal, it is like that, and for the digital signals, it is like this. So here is the 0, here is the 1. These are the digital signals. What is an analog signal? It is a type of signal that represents continuous data using continuous range of values. In other words, in easy words, we can say that it can take any value with a certain range. It can be categorized by their smooth and continuous nature. For example, imagine a sound wave. In an analog form, the sound wave is represented by continuously varying electrical signal that mirrors the fluctuation in the air pressure caused by the sound. That is a analog signal. What is a digital signal? It is a type of signal that represents data as a sequence of discrete values, which means by using the binary numbers in the form of 0 and 1. It is also contains different voltage values, unlike of analog signals which vary continuously over time. Digital signals are discrete and quantized, the meaning that they can only take on specific and distinct values. In digital communications and commu- computing systems, information is encoded into digital signals by in the form of transmission, processing, and storage. These signals are commonly used in telecommunication, audio, video processing, computer networks, and many other applications. This is it for the video. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe. Thank you.